Ever feel like your budget's cursed? Like every time you try to stick to one FIO, something breaks, someone gets sick, or you just give up? You're not alone. Let's fix that today. My name is Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate. Now I'm building my net worth through retirement investing and helping others do the same. Let's talk about why your budget keeps failing and how to finally make it work. First, your budget isn't broken. It's just not built right. Most people build a budget like a wish list. They write down what they hope to spend. They ignore reality, and then they beat themselves up when it doesn't work. So here's the truth. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It's not a punishment, it's a plan. And the reason it keeps failing is because you're not budgeting for real life. Let's go through the top reasons people fail and how to fix them. Number 1, underestimating expenses. You tell yourself groceries will be $300, but they're $500, and now the whole plan is wrecked. Fix it by tracking what you actually spend for 30 days before making your next budget. Real data beats fake hope. Number 2, forgetting irregular expenses, birthdays, car tags, school clothes. You don't budget for them, but they still show up. Solution, create a sinking fund. Save a little each month for those surprise but not really surprise costs. Number 3, no emergency buffer, one flat tire, and the budget explodes. That's why level 3 of the wealth game is saving $1,000 for emergencies. But until you're there, build a baby buffer into your monthly plan. Even $50 can absorb a shock. Number 4, no fun money. Yeah, I said it. You need a little guilt-free spending. Not a shopping spree, but $10 for coffee or a Friday pizza night. When your budget is all stress and no joy, it won't last. Give yourself breathing room. Number 5, perfectionism. You messed up once, so you toss the whole plan? That's like popping all your tires because you got a flat. Progress, not perfection. It's a muscle. It gets better the more you use it. Last one, no accountability. You're trying to budget alone in your head with no one checking in. No wonder it's hard. Whether it's your partner, a friend, or me, get someone to walk with you. That's why I built the wealth game, to give you a clear map and the support to follow it. So let's rebuild your budget the right way. Start with your actual income. Subtract the essentials, rent, food, utilities. Then allocate for gas, debt payments, and irregular costs. Then, and only then, assign what's left to fun or extras. If there's not enough, don't panic. You just discovered a gap, and now you can fix it. Maybe that means cutting. Maybe that means earning more. But now you know, and knowing is where change starts. So what level are you on? If you're still guessing with your money, you're on level 1 of the wealth game, and that's exactly where you should be. Because this is the foundation. Ready to stop the cycle and actually build a budget that works? Take the free assessment. The link is in the description below. No fluff, no judgment, just a plan that actually helps. Let's stop guessing. Let's get intentional. Let's level up, invest steady, compound your net worth.